Dear students, as you know, in the ongoing Sainik School E-counselling process, we have reached round number 5. In today's video, we have brought you two updates. First, regarding the number of seats left, and the second, what are the cutoffs released by individual Sainik schools. Now, let me take you to the analysis screen. We have refined data from official sources regarding number of seats left. All this data is provided by National Testing Agency. Now, what I'm going to do is, as you can see on the bottom of your screen, we have 4 seats. 1 seat each for class 6th boys seat matrix, for class 6th girls seat matrix, for class 9th boys seat matrix, and the last one girls class 9 seat matrix. So this is properly refined data. Now to check what is the number of seats left, we'll perform this function. For class 6th boys, as you can see, the largest number of still vacant even after fully filling round 4. There are 48 still left in Sainik School Pungalwa, as you can see over here. Then the second number of largest vacancies are with Sainik School Rewari, where there are still 35 seats vacant. For home journal, as you can see, this is a column which illustrates the number of seats available in the home journal. So we have 11 seats for home journal. So what we can do is, so we can even apply a descending filter over here in the home journal, as you can see over here. So this is data for you. अब आप क्या कर सकते हैं इस डाटा में, आपकी जो भी एप्लीकेबल कैटेगरी है, यू कैन अप्लाई दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ फिल्टर. एंड इफ़ यू विश टू नो, अगर आपकी होम ओबीसी है, आप रेवारी से लेटस सपोज आप किसी भी स्टेट से बिलोंग करते हैं, देन व्हाट यू विल डू इज़, अगर आप ओबीसी से हैं तो आपका जो होम स्टेट में सैनिक स्कूल है वो आपका होम ओबीसी में अप्लाई होगा. बाकी अदर ओबीसी में आप सीट चेक करना चाहें तो यू कैन अप्लाई दिस फिल्टर. सो द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ सीट्स for OBC are with Imphal, then Rewari, Tilaiya, Mainpuri, Kalikri, and so on. Now let's just move to the girls 6th seat matrix. Now let me just apply the filter on the total number of seats available. As far as class 6th girls seats are concerned, the largest number of seats are still vacant with Sainik School Rewari, which is in Haryana. ठीक है. Now you can look up for home OBC we still have 1 seat, for home defense we have 1 seat, other state SC category, other state ST, and then other state OBC. So the largest number of seats are with Rewari. Then subsequently we have the number of seats available with East Siang, which is in Arunachal Pradesh. Then we have Balachadi. Then using the same tactics which we used with class 6 boys, आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आपका जो भी applicable category है, you can select this particular column and then you can choose this filter, and then you will know for home state general category there are only 6 states जिनके अंदर अभी भी गर्ल्स के लिए सीट अवेलेबल है, रेस्ट अदर्स में ये फिल हो चुकी है. सो इफ़ यू हैव मोर क्वेश्चंस यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. सो इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर ऑल इंडिया सैनिक स्कूल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम 2025 or Rashtramalty schools which will be conducted in December 2024, then following is the date of birth eligibility chart which is available on your screens. So let me just quickly go through. For all India Sainik School entrance exams, for class 6th, the date of birth chart is from 1st April 2013 to 31 March 2015. अगर आपका बच्चा बेटा या बेटी इन particular date of birth including first date and the last date अगर born है, then he or she can apply for upcoming exams. Application forms available होता है usually September and October every year. For class 9th, it is from 1st April 2010 to 31 March 2012. Now, this is for all India Sainik School entrance exam, जिसका entrance exam will be conducted in January 2025. Moving to the next one, which is Rashtramalty schools. For Rashtramalty schools, the same eligibility date of births hold true, which is for class 6th, it is from 1st April 2013 to 31 March 2015, and for class 9th, it is from 1st April 2010 to 31 March 2012. Whereas for RIMC Dehradun, which is Rashtriya Indian Military College Dehradun, which is a separate school, it is from for December 2024 term. So RIMC Dehradun conducts its entrance exams twice per year. So the next upcoming exam is in December 24, which will be conducted from 1st to 5th of December, any day from 1st to 15th of December. So the date of birth for that particular exam is from 1st July 2012 to 1st Jan 2014. Now the child should be class 7th passed at the time of joining. So let me just clarify it for you. RIMC देहरादून के लिए जब बच्चे का एडमिशन होता है क्लास 8th में होता है, बाई विच आई मीन कि अगर बच्चा क्लास 6th एंड में है या 7th में ऑलरेडी स्टडिंग है, इन बोथ कंडीशंस ही और शी कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस एग्ज़ाम. या तो बच्चा 6th में पढ़ रहा हो and by the time he or she gets selected, which is almost 6 to 10 month of process, entrance exam के बाद it takes another 6 months to join interview process and the subsequent merit list are released. So बच्चा क्लास 6 के एंडिंग में हो या फिर 7th में ऑलरेडी स्टडिंग हो, then by the time joining date आएगा he or she would be able to join. So that's the date of birth chart. And for June 2025, which is next year, the date of birth chart has to be from 1st January 13 to 1st July 2014. So this is basic guideline. Now for UP Sainik School Lucknow and UP Sainik School Gorakhpur, UP Sainik School Lucknow holds to be the oldest Sainik school in the country. For this, the date of birth chart is from 1st April 2013 to 31 March 15, and for class 9th it is from 1st April 10 to 31 March 12. Now there is a possibility कि date of birth थोड़ा सा, there is a small possibility that the date of birth might get revised. It depends on UP Sainik School officials. ठीक है, so आप जब भी notification निकले, so please join our Telegram group. Then you will get the right sort of updates whenever the forms are available. Now the next important thing is, so there is a very significant understanding among people who perform really good in any given exam that selection is a result of proper foresight, planning and then subsequently action. So if you want your child to get selected in the exams which I mentioned in the previous slide, then there has to be proper planning. And by planning I mean कि आपने बच्चे का अच्छा तैयारी करवाया हो, थोरो बच्चे का सिलेबस से जो इंट्रोडक्शन है वो कंफर्टेबली हुआ हो, एंड देन सब्सिक्वेंटली प्रैक्टिस सेट्स एंड ऑल दैट प्रोसेस मस्ट हैव बीन डन. सो एट Dabad Academy we are organizing offline classes in our campuses in Gurugram and Delhi, whereas online classes आप देश में जहाँ बैठे हैं वहीं से आप पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. So we have assembled a team of very competent and dedicated teachers to help you excel in this entrance exam. So I would highly recommend कि अगर आप अपने बच्चे की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की प्रिपरेशन करवाना चाहते हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन में जो कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर अवेलेबल हैं उनसे आप हमारी टीम से हमारे साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द प्रेजेंटेशन, which is class 9th seats and vacancies. As you can see on your screens, let me just quickly apply the same filter. Now we are on the sheet which says class 9th seat matrix for boys, right? Sainik School Pungalwa almost shares the same kind of trend as it was available in probably class 6th also. I believe the largest number of seats were with Pungalwa, which is in Nagaland, right? तो 48 seats available था class 6 में. With the same trend, class 9th also 26 seats are available in Pungalwa. Then in Rewari we have 14 seats which are still vacant. अब आप क्या कर सकते हैं? What you can do is you can apply this. For example, if you belong to SC और आपके होम SC सैनिक स्कूल में सीट्स फिल हो चुके हैं, तो आपका कौन सा अदर SC कैटेगरी एप्लीकेबल होगा. तो आप इसमें यू कैन सॉर्ट यूजिंग Z2A. सो देर आर दीज 4 स्टेट्स जिनके अंदर अभी भी SC के लिए सीट्स अवेलेबल हैं. सो आई बिलीव यूजिंग दिस मेथड आप बड़े ही इंटेलिजेंटली विदाउट एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन और पेपर यूज करने के बिना आप इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स क्विकली मूव टू द क्लास 9th गर्ल सीट. फॉर क्लास 9th गर्ल सीट, although very few Sainik schools had released seats for class 9th this academic year, so we have Bijapur. These are the seats. These are the schools which still have seats available for girls. So there are almost 11 schools, right? So in Bijapur we have 3 seats still pending, vacant: Mainpuri, Golpara, Balachadi, Rewari, Tilaiya, Chandrapur, Pungalwa, Bhubaneswar, Amravati and Amethi. ठीक है, so these are the schools, these are the Sainik schools जहाँ पर अभी भी seats available हैं. Now what we will do is, now we will tell you कि how to predict the cutoffs. So all you have to do is you have to go to the official website, go to school wise cutoff, then choose your class 6th or class 9th whichever is applicable. Let us click on class 6th. We'll select कि what is round 5. Round 5 में school wise cut off marks कितना रहा था, that is what you want to inquire. We'll go ahead with Sainik schools. School name, let us suppose you want to check for Bhubaneswar, which is in Odisha, and home state other state, जो भी आपकी category applicable है, you can just apply. We'll click on search, and so the data is for boys For home OBC, the cutoff marks for round 5 is 206. अगर आपके बच्चे के 206 या above मार्क्स आए हैं, then in सैनिक स्कूल भुवनेश्वर, डिपेंडिंग ऑन कि आपके पास सीट्स कितने अवेलेबल है, there is a strong possibility कि बच्चे का सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा. For home unreserved, which is home general category, the cutoff is 212. We can do the same process for other state. Let me click on other state. For students who are seeking admission in Sainik School Bhubaneswar, who are from Bihar, for other unreserved means other general category, the cutoff marks is 268. For other defense, 250 if you are from Rajasthan, and so on. So I hope you found the video helpful, useful. If you have more questions, please make sure you ask them in the comment box. So we'll connect again very soon in the next video.